Hello, welcome to this short video brought to you by SolarTech. Today, we'll be looking at how to quickly narrow down and refine your search results in the Outlook web app. We all know that it doesn't take long before our inboxes become filled with messages, many of which we don't delete because we know we'll need them in the future. That is why this is a very handy feature to be aware of. It allows you to quickly refine your search by a variety of factors, which in turn prevents you from scrolling and scrolling to find the message that you need. So, let's see how it works. Once you're in your Mail app, click on the Search Mail and People bar located at the top left-hand corner. Now type a keyword in the message you are looking for. For example, I'm going to search for a message that I know contains the word review. I'll hit the Enter key, and you can see that Outlook has already narrowed down my search to a couple results. Now notice on my left pane, I've been given some options. Automatically, all folders are selected. We can choose to narrow it down to a specific folder, such as my inbox. If we are aware of which folder the message is in, we can narrow it down by who the message came from or see messages that only contain attachments. We can even refine our search by the date and the time frame that the message was either sent or received, and we are able to provide a specific range of dates. So let's see if I can refine my results to find the message that I'm looking for. I already typed in my keyword. Now, I happen to know that this message was sent in June of this year. Under date, I'll select range from June 1st to June 30th. I also think the message came from Julian, so I'll click his name to see. And sure enough, there it is. Instead of searching through our folders and having to scroll all the way back to June to try and find this message, we were able to refine our search results with just a few clicks. This is just another way that Office 365 helps you to stay organized and efficient. Until next time, this is SolarTech signing out.